Welcome back to BT Plus, serving as your comprehensive, technical guide to crossing the threshold of $10,000 in consistent, recurring monthly income, all within a strict time frame that does not exceed 90 days. If you are looking for shortcuts, you won't find them here. This is where we deep dive into the nuances that create the gap between a successful, specialized professional and someone stuck in the side hustle loop. We will break the plan down into 5 detailed strategic chapters. Prepare to take meticulous notes because every minute here is an investment in your financial future. The first and longest step is dismantling the traditional employee mindset. To command $2,000 per month, you must view yourself as a strategic investment partner, not a service provider. This means every hour you spend must be focused on improving the client's return on investment. The $10,000 per month is a product of selling impact, not effort. You must start thinking about the lifetime value of a customer and how your service can exponentially increase their annual revenue. You must become mentally resilient against imposter syndrome, as your unique expertise is what justifies your premium price point. We won't choose a niche randomly. The specialization process must pass through 3 rigorous filters. The acute pain filter. Is the problem you are solving genuinely painful and financially critical to the client's operation? The affordability filter. Does your target market have a profit margin exceeding 40% and the financial capacity to comfortably pay $2,000 per month without straining their business? The accessibility filter. Can you easily reach the decision maker in this niche through a single platform? After applying these filters, you must create a detailed ideal client profile, which goes beyond name and title. It includes their daily challenges, their primary sources of information, and their biggest fears about service failure. The offer is your first product. It must be radically different. To design a $2,000 offer, you must provide a result pledge. Decoding the guarantee. The guarantee doesn't have to be money back. It can be, we will continue working for free until the goal is achieved. This dramatically mitigates the client's risk and showcases your absolute confidence in your methodology. Payment structure. Discuss the critical importance of requesting a substantial onboarding fee, even if it's credited towards the first month. This establishes an immediate, non-refundable commitment from the client. We will not waste time building a luxurious website. We only need 3 core assets before launch. Optimized profile. Whether on LinkedIn or another platform, your headline must clearly state, "I help achieve." You must look like an instant authority. Minimalist landing page. A single page featuring your clear offer, a button to book a discovery call, and a placeholder for a future client testimonial. Nothing else. Appointment scheduling tool. Utilize Calendly or similar tools to simplify and professionalize the booking process. The art and science of advanced cold outreach mechanics. We are sending 40 messages daily, but with high precision. Cold outreach is a scientific, not a random process. Tiered personalization strategy. Don't send the same message to everyone. Send 20 highly personalized messages and 20 partially personalized messages. This balances efficiency with personalization. The follow-up framework. 80% of deals are closed after the 5th follow-up attempt. Your follow-ups must deliver new value each time, not just ask, "Did you see my last message?" It should be, "I thought of you when I read this article. Here's a quick idea that might help." Handling rejection data. Rejection is not personal. It's a rejection of the offer or the timing. You must maintain a detailed spreadsheet to log the reason for rejection. This data feeds your offer refinement in the next chapter. Closing the first clients. Exploratory selling. Your first 3 clients are your laboratory. The discovery call must become an exploratory interview where you search for their purchasing drivers and their blockers. Deep questioning technique. Instead of, "What is your budget?" ask, "If this problem is not solved in the next 60 days, what is the practical financial impact that your business will incur?" Connecting the lack of a solution to opportunity cost justifies the price. Creating mini-commitments. Ask the client to send specific data or information before the second call. This creates a small commitment of investment before the large payment commitment. You now have clients. This is not a time for rest. This is a time for building the operating system for your business. Creating the decision tree. For every common challenge a client faces, there must be a defined SOP to handle it. This ensures the service is repeatable and doesn't rely on your genius every single time. Client communication automation. Use tools like Zapier or similar platforms to automate simple steps. Automation projects a professional image and saves you hours weekly. Harnessing the power of social proof and storytelling. The next 4 clients you acquire in this phase will only sign if you have undeniable proof. The structured testimonial technique. Don't let the client say whatever they want. Prepare 3 core questions. 1. What was your biggest financial challenge before us? 2. What was different about our process? 3. What are the exact metrics or numbers achieved? The case study deep dive. The case study must be told as a hero's journey. The problem, the solution, the results. These stories must be strategically published across your platforms as irresistible proof. Expanding inbound lead channels. Gradually begin the shift from time-consuming cold outreach to inbound attraction. Intensive authority content. Your content on your chosen platform must focus on how to achieve the results your clients got. Don't sell. Teach your clients how to think. This creates organic magnetic attraction. Focused free webinars. Create a short free webinar targeting your specialized audience. The end of the webinar must feature a clear, direct offer to book a discovery call. This is a rapid conversion channel for qualified leads. You are now generating over $10,000 monthly, but likely working long hours. The bottleneck is always you. Precise time tracking. Use a tool to track your time for a full week. Categorize tasks into client acquisition, execution, and administrative. The 80-20 rule for delegation. 80% of your execution and admin tasks are immediately delegable. You must keep only the critical 20%. Focused and profitable hiring. Hiring must be an investment, not a burden. Hire based on the SPs, not general experience. Hiring for immediate execution. Hire only one person initially as an operations implementer based on the documented SOPs. Their weekly salary must be significantly lower than the revenue generated by the time you free up. Employee KPIs. Success metrics must be tied to specific outcomes, not the number of hours worked. Value-based repricing and margin enhancement. New clients coming to you now must pay a higher price. The justified raise methodology. Don't just raise the price arbitrarily. Raise it because you now have a reliable, delegated system. Raise the price to $2,500 or $3,000. Leveraging golden referrals. You must create a clear incentive for older, happy clients to refer new ones. Mastering client retention strategies. The easiest way to increase your $10,000 is by never losing the current client. Quarterly business reviews. Conduct a formal quarterly business review with every client. Don't talk about the past. Discuss the next 90 days and how your service can support their evolving goals. This ensures automatic contract renewal. Value-driven upselling. Introduce complimentary, essential additional services. The new offer must feel necessary and valuable, not just an add-on. Preparing for the productized model. Once you consistently have over 10 clients and your income surpasses $20,000, you must start thinking about transforming your documented service into a productized service or a focused mini course for mass sale. Productized service, a service with a fixed price and a defined scope. This reduces your time spent per client and allows you to handle a much higher volume. Final message and the commitment. Maintaining momentum. On day 90, do not stop. Use the first $10,000 you earned to reinvest in better tools, more staff, and increased marketing spend. The speed at which you built your business must become your new growth pace. Do not let slow success slow you down. My final message to you: success in 90 days is not a matter of luck. It is a result of precise execution and faith in a deeply researched strategy. Do not consume this material and shelve it. Begin immediate application. If you have absorbed all these details and are ready to launch into this challenge, type in the comments now, BT plus radical execution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Keep building value, and we will see you at the top.